And welcome to our YouTube channel ByteBoost. I hope you all are doing good. And in the last video, we have covered VLOOKUP and VLOOKUP plus choose. How you can use choose function to look back. So if you have not watched that video, the link has been given above. You can check out that video. And in this video, we are going to learn how you can use if error function with VLOOKUP. But before to that, if you haven't subscribed this channel, just press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever we'll upload the video. So without any delay, let's jump into the topic. Now I have already created the data table. For example, this is our data table, and these are the values where we want to get the answers from this job title or from the department. So simply we will write VLOOKUP formula, that is VLOOKUP, and then take the reference of this, and again table array. So table array would be this table, and here we take the column index, that is 3, because we want the answer from the job title column. So we will enter 3 and we will give 0 and we will close the bracket. Now as you can see here, it is showing senior manager, and for an example it is showing all the values. Now let's assume if I delete some values from this table. For example, this value I will delete, and again I'll delete this value, and I'll delete this value. So now assume we don't have these values here. For an example, right now we want these values, but before to that, let me freeze this value. So simply I'll copy and paste. Now this value got freeze, and now if we are going to delete this from this table, this will not get removed. So now let's remove this one, and let's remove this one. Now one problem we can see with this formula, so whenever you have the value that you would like to look into your table array, and if that value is not available in the table, so it will give us a return, that is NA. So for an example, this is a very less data I'm using for this example. In case you have 2000 3000 data, and where you would like to look for the value for your references, and if the data, those value are not available, so this formula will throw this NA error. So how we can avoid this NA error? To do that, simply we use VLOOKUP plus if error function. So how we can do this? So simply right now, let me take the example of here from here. So now we do have this VLOOKUP formula. So simply you have to add if error before VLOOKUP, and now here you have to give comma, and you have to give this double quotes. So once you will give enter, so simply you will see if there are any values in the table, it will reflect us, or if there is no value at all in the table for our references, it will show blank. So this will give us a better understanding, or you can say better way to prepare the report, so that you can filter out and you can use your references to prepare the report. So I hope this video is useful for you, and still you have any doubts, any queries, you can write on comment section, or directly you can reach out on our official mail ID. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Let's meet on the next topic. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.